Happy New Year, everybody. So today I'm going to be making the viral, I guess you could call it self-care or solo date jar. I saw it on TikTok like everything else I see. So I was doing this thing in 2021 where I would take myself out, get all cute or whatever. And this year I want to step my game up and do it more consistently. So seeing this trend kind of came right on time. So I bought my jar. I have all my supplies here. I have my jar here. Got everything from Walmart. I got these cute pastel index cards. I have this craft bond dual tip glue pen. It's supposed to dry in 10 minutes. So I think I'm gonna put all my stuff inside and then decorate. And then I have these alphabet stickers to just like label the outside, and they're like cute and gold and stuff. So yeah, I looked up some more ideas on Pinterest for things to do because I want to like step out of my comfort zone and do more things. So yeah, especially because I want to do this like at least twice a month. So yeah, let's get to it.